What is going on, everybody? Tech Enthusiast here, and we all know the OnePlus 7 Pro is one of the best phones you can buy right now. It's got a very clean version of Android, Oxygen OS, and it runs buttery smooth, and the phone is very fast. But I'm going to talk about one feature that no one is talking about, so yeah, let's find out what that is. Okay, the OnePlus 7 Pro is amongst the first phones to give you a full screen experience, and that is thanks to the pop-up camera on the top. So when you are watching videos, there is no notches or holes, so you are able to see videos how they are meant to be seen. The Fluid AMOLED display has been voted the best display in the world right now, and it also has a 90Hz refresh rate, which makes it very smooth. OnePlus have been listening to their users. This is their first phone with stereo sound. On the bottom is the single firing speaker. Then on the top you can see the speaker grill is wider, and combined they will give you stereo sound. With Dolby Atmos, the sound quality is very good. So is it the camera? OnePlus 7 Pro has jumped onto the triple camera bandwagon. So you have the main shooter, the telephoto, and for the first time the ultra wide angle lens. Here is an example of that. Here is a standard photo and then the ultra wide angle lens, and as you can see you can get a lot more in. Let's not forget their fast charger, which is now called Warp Charge 30, and it is faster than other phones including the OnePlus 7. And they also include it in the box. Unlike a certain fruity company, you can easily get a day's usage with just half an hour charge. The in-display fingerprint sensor has seen a massive upgrade compared to the first generation. As you can see here, it unlocks pretty much instantly, and it is faster and more accurate than the Samsung Galaxy S10 series. The OnePlus 7 Pro is the first phone to globally launch with UFS 3.0, beating Samsung to the punch. Put simply, it dramatically improves the speed of the phone from launching heavy documents to opening apps. Here is a Android Bench 5 comparison with the Huawei Mate 20 Pro, and in the results you can see the speed is nearly twice that of the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. And to demonstrate the apps and launch gaming speeds, here I have the game called PUBG, and I have the Nubia Red Magic 3 on the left and the OnePlus 7 Pro on the right. Both of these phones have very similar specs, so we have the Snapdragon 855 CPU and they both have 8GB of RAM. And as you can see, the OnePlus 7 Pro is way faster than the Nubia Red Magic 3. Okay, so we're nearly getting there, and this part is about gaming. And as we know, the OnePlus 7 Pro is using the Snapdragon 855 CPU along with the Adreno 640 GPU, so gaming is a breeze. Here is the Dolphin emulator playing Mario Kart Wii, and as you can see the game is running very smoothly. There is no slowdown at all. So that one feature no one is talking about is USB 3.1. You're probably thinking, what's so special? Well, not only does it transfer data faster, but it can also output video to connected displays. Here, let me show you. What I'm using here is a USB-C male to a HDMI female adapter, and I'll leave a link to where I bought that from in the description. Here is the popular game Asphalt 9 running side by side on the OnePlus 7 Pro as well as on the TV. This is the perfect experience if you want to play on a larger display. As I mentioned earlier, the OnePlus 7 Pro can play emulators. This is Super Mario Galaxy for the Nintendo Wii, and if you pair it up with a Bluetooth control pad, you could say you have a console-like experience with the OnePlus 7 Pro. There are phones such as the Nubia Red Magic 3 being called a gaming phone, but it doesn't have USB 3.1 and the OnePlus 7 Pro does. and I think it gives you the better experience overall. So there you have it. The OnePlus 7 Pro is the complete package, and I also want to mention that the standard OnePlus 7 also has USB 3.1. Now if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If it is your first time here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up. So make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release those videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.